welcome to LoveLiveSave. Today I put together 10 really great laundry deals that you can do to stock up for your family this Saturday, January 7th at Dollar General. As always, if you enjoy the deals, please do me a huge favor. Hit the like button. It's greatly appreciated. Also, don't forget to subscribe here on my YouTube channel if you enjoy couponing so you don't miss out on any of the future awesome couponing deals that I have put together for you. But before we get started, I wanted to let you know that while this video has 10 laundry deals, I actually put together a total of 120 couponing deals for this week, a personal record for me. And of course, I don't have the time to be posting all 120 deals to any of my platforms. So if you're looking for an easy way to get your couponing deals each week that you can either print off or download to your phone, and you're interested in supporting my work, please check out my Patreon page. The link is down below. So let's get started. For our first laundry deal, grab one box of Crest toothpaste for $3.35, one box of Bounce Pet dryer sheets for $9.95, then grab one bottle of Gain Fireworks for $7.45, and finally pick up one bottle of Microban spray for $6. Now, when we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $26.75. After all coupons, and of course that includes the 5 off of 25 Saturday coupon, I cannot express how important it is to clip that coupon. Our total out of pocket comes down to just $10.25 plus tax. Such a great deal because that makes for a total savings of $16.50. Such a great time to stock up. For our second laundry deal, grab 2 bottles of Mr. Clean cleaners for $6.50, one box of the Bounce Pet dryer sheets for $9.95, and then one of the larger size bags of Tide Pods for $9.95. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $26.40. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to $11.65 plus tax. So that makes for a total savings of $14.75. For our third laundry deal, grab one of the Airwick plugins for $2.25, one bottle of Arm & Hammer laundry detergent for $6.35, one bag of Tide Pods for $9.95, and finally grab one of the medium-sized bottles of Gain fabric softener for $7.45. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $26. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.25 plus tax. So that makes for a total savings of $14.75. For our fourth laundry deal, grab one box of Gain dryer sheets for $7.45, one box of Borax detergent booster for $6. Unfortunately, we don't have a coupon for it, but like I always tell you, that is totally okay. And by the way, if you have never tried Borax detergent booster in your laundry, let this be your sign. Like, this stuff is amazing. It works so well at getting that extra gunk out of your clothes. Oh, amazing stuff. And then finally, grab one box of Bounce Pet dryer sheets for $9.95. Everything comes to a total retail value of $26.75 with this deal. So after all coupons, our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $13.25 plus tax. So that makes for a total savings of $13.50. Still another great deal that you are saving more money than you're paying for out of pocket. For our fifth laundry deal, grab one of my favorite laundry products, Lysol Laundry Sanitizer for $7.35. One bag of Tide Pods for $9.95, and then 2 cans of Microban sprays for $12. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value with this deal comes to $29.30. Now, after all coupons, our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $13.80 plus tax, which is amazing because that creates a total savings of $15.50. For our sixth laundry deal, grab 2 of the Febreze Small Spaces for $6.50, one bottle of Arm & Hammer laundry detergent for $6.35, one bottle of Gain Fireworks for $7.45, and finally grab one box of Gain dryer sheets for $7.45. Now, I want to make sure I mention here, if you don't like the Gain Odor Defense dryer sheets, please feel free to substitute them for maybe the original scent. Just make sure that they are attaching to the correct coupons. Now, you know the drill. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes at $27.75. But after all the coupons that we have here, that brings our total out of pocket all the way down to just $7.45 plus tax. So that's a total savings of $20.30. Our seventh laundry deal is a really great one to stock up on Tide Pods. First, grab one box of Crest toothpaste for $3.35. And then grab 2 bags of Tide Pods for $9.95 each. For the first bag, clip this $3 off of one Tide Pods coupon. And then for the second bag, clip this $2 off of one Tide Pods coupon. And then finally grab one of the Airwick plugins for $2.25. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value with this deal comes to $25.50. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes all the way down to just $11.75 plus tax. So that makes a total savings of $13.75. For our eighth laundry deal, grab one of the medium-sized bottles of Gain laundry detergent for $7.45. Grab one bottle of Gain fabric softener for $7.45. 2 cans of Febreze Air Effects for $6.50. And then finally grab one of the Colgate Optic White toothpaste for $7.50. When we add everything up here, our total retail value comes to $28.90. But just wait. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $7.60 plus tax. So that makes for a total savings of $21.30. If you're looking to stock up on dryer sheets, you're going to love this deal. For our ninth laundry deal, grab one box of Crest toothpaste for $3.35. Then grab 2 boxes of Gain dryer sheets. They are $7.45 each. For the first one, clip the $3 off of one Gain dryer sheets coupon. And then for the second box, clip the $2 off of one Gain dryer sheets coupon. And then finally grab one box of the Bounce Pet dryer sheets for $9.95. When we add everything up before coupons with this deal, our total retail value comes to $28.20. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes all the way down to just $12.70 plus tax. So that makes for a total savings of $15.50. Such a great deal to stock up on dryer sheets. For our 10th laundry deal, grab one box of Crest toothpaste for $3.35, one bottle of Gain Fireworks for $7.45, one of the big 128-ounce size bottles of Pine Sol cleaner for $9. Unfortunately, we don't have a coupon to use with it, but like I always tell you, that is totally okay. And then finally grab one bottle of Arm & Hammer laundry detergent for $6.35. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $26.15. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to $14.15. That makes for a total savings of $12. Now, that's a little bit higher of an out-of-pocket deal, but when you consider that almost like $9 of this deal was for an item that had absolutely no coupons, that's a great time to stock up on it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and as always, I hope it helps you save a lot of money for your family this week. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, I would love for you to click on that subscribe button and help show my channel some love. Also, while you're there, don't forget to click on the notification bell and turn on all notifications. That way, when I post any of my future deal videos, of which this week I have one video for you every day this week, or I do one of my fun couponing after dark live chats, again, that I do multiple times a week, you won't miss out. And I will see you in the next video.